Better don't even get on my nerves this afternoon. Don't get on my nerves. Just sit down. Just sit down. Because I don't understand how I will explain a particular topic in this mathematics and you will still be failing. All of you. All of you. I don't understand. I explained this quadratic equation that day. I can remember very well. Economics teacher did not come. I explained it for double period. And I even gave it to you directly as CA test. All of you still failed. And they can even you said you failed. Jais was Christiana.
Ah, I did well.
Better shut up. Hey, shut up your mouth too. Shut up your mouth too. Because it's 4/10 you got. The record is here. In fact, do you know what? I will explain this thing again. And don't worry. Let me re-explain it again. Let me just close that record. Let me just start a new one. Let me re-explain it. I don't know what is the quadratic equation. I said the question is 2x raised to power 2 plus 5 plus x equals 0. Now, find the equation. The first thing you should do is looking for how to find equation 1. If you can find equation 1 and you cross multiply, then your work is easy from there.
1 hour later.
So you can see, that's all. That's all. It's very simple. Now, do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, before I leave, tear out a sheet of paper and solve this. Jesus.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so now I'll be going right now to check you people's work now, one after the other. Alphabet, you understand that equation 1? What do you get? -4. Be like saying minus 18. No. This is what I taught you. This is what I taught you. No wonder. So you people have been writing rubbish. Even you too. Oh yeah, get out. Go outside. In fact, this is not even again. Sadikemi.
Sir?
Go to the staff room now and check Mr. Ajali Coco's corner. Get me the longest and the fattest king there.
Okay.
If you know you're writing rubbish, better come outside now and just surrender yourself before I get to you. This is what I taught you. I don't care. So, Jesus Lord. How did you get this? Even you too. So you people are copying each other. Okay.
Yeah.
Get me the longest game here.
Okay, boss.
Oh yeah, if you know you're writing rubbish before I read
You have to have capacity.
Come and surrender yourself.